Winter weather sticking around in Hampton Roads this morning, and that includes Virginia Beach.
And that's where we find meteorologist Julie Martin. She is live this morning. Good morning, Julie. How are those conditions where you are?
Good morning, Eugene and Ashley. Well, it is cold and blustery here in Virginia Beach this morning. I just checked, and the latest wind gust I got was 53 miles per hour. It feels like 3 degrees out here. The sun is up now. The tide is also up. High tide around 7 o'clock this morning, started to recede. So no problems there so far. You'll notice here on some of the grassy areas, though, we did get a little bit of snow here in Virginia Beach. Not too much. It's really been more the cold and the wind that have been the issues, and will remain the issues really throughout the day today. We still have a high wind warning. Could see some gusty conditions up near 60 even. And we did see some of those 50s overnight as well in terms of the gusts. So kind of like being in a very cold tropical storm out here. Right now, though, no power issues at last check. The hotel is open where I am, and we are running in and out to kind of stay warm and advise everybody else to do the same, kind of stay indoors today and take it easy. It's not going to be improving too much in terms of those temperatures throughout the day today. Eugene and Ashley.
All right, Julie, thank you so much for that. And I'm glad that the hotel where you're at still has that power and all of that as well. You know, that's a big thing that we've been monitoring this morning, especially because of the winds, right? And we talked to Dominion Energy, their preparations for that, too. We know there are people across the region who have dealt with power outages, but glad that you're not experiencing that this morning, Julie.